My name is Hon Annet Mugisha, woman MP Bushenyi district. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate all women in Uganda upon reaching this day. To us women, this day is very, very important, and we have a lot of things to celebrate. First of all, we thank His Excellency Museveni, who is going to be here with us to celebrate with us. Why? Because he has prioritized women. He has empowered us holistically when it comes to economic, politically, socially, culturally. We have been prioritized, and we cannot take that one for granted. We want to thank him for encouraging us to engage in different economic activities as women so that we can uplift ourselves. Today's theme is very clear, and it's directly to us women, that we use the equal opportunities in education, equal opportunities in science, innovation, and in science, technology for innovation and agenda equal tomorrow. This calls for women, this calls for our girls, the youth, to ensure that today we put emphasis in sciences. First of all, ICT is very important. Uganda is becoming a global village, and we cannot do much apart from emphasizing on ICT. We want to call parents. Parents are the first teachers. Let us encourage our girls, our girl child. Educating girls should be for everyone. Let us not leave girls outside. Let us empower both girls and boys, and more especially in science subjects. I want to assure you Ugandans that it is very important that we must have scientists in this country, because when you go to hospitals, when you look at roads, we need engineers. This ICT, everything is now online. When you're selling goods, when you are applying for visas, you want a ticket, you want a passport, you want to, to trade, everything is now going to be online. So I want to thank all those people who came up with this theme. It is very important, it is valid, it is relevant. During this time, we can't do much without ICT. So I congratulate all of you, but I want to just encourage you about one thing, fellow women. Let us have steady families. Let us respect our husbands. Let us nurture our children to be God-fearing. Let us embrace development, engage in different enterprises to improve our welfare, to uplift our families, to be economically strong, and be able to be elevated from one level to another. Long live Uganda. Long live His Excellency Museveni. Long live women of Uganda. Thank you so much for empowering women. We have the Speaker of the Republic of the Parliament of Uganda, the Right Honorable Prime Minister. We have ministers who are women, members of Parliament. We appreciate this affirmative action. Thank you so much, and wish you a beautiful day. Happy International Women's Day.